Hey guys, Sheep sleeping. Okay. So this guy sent me a bunch of my stuff. Oh. Sent me a bunch of my stuff back, but I traded something. He kept one of my things and traded me for this thing. Now, I really like it, but who likes it even more is my mother-in-law. She's been stealing all my fidgets, but that's okay. Maybe this will cheer her up because she just fell and fractured her hand like 2 hours ago. Oh yeah, and I forgot. He sent me some stuff to check out too. Okay. Okay. I asked to check this stuff out though. Shiva sleeps and purrs at the same time. Shit. Damn. Looks like this button is kind of damaged a little bit. Fuck. But that's okay. It's just paint. Okay. So yeah, this button's a little damaged, but I can repaint it. Plus I have the original one for that, so. Here on my little fidget, damn, look how dark that thing is now. My fidget things, chill pills. I miss them. Here, Full Throttle Original, Skelly. Oh, I miss this. Okay. This is an OG with Trillium. I forget what it was. Oh, iFidget spinner. This is the thing that that he traded me for. Look at that. The hammer design. Ooh, it sounds so good. Okay. And then this is what is it? Oh. Yeah, I gotta fix this. I ended up, I think, Loctiting this bitch in. Tootsie. Oh. Sorry. I ended up Loctiting this thing in. Was it Wusa or something? But these are supposed to be to keep the. We're supposed to put these in to keep it in? I don't think so. Or does this go on the outside? They're O-rings, but they don't appear to be the right size. It does feel like there should be an O-ring there. I'm gonna have to get a different size O-ring. Oh, wait, hold on. I don't think I put this in back right. Yeah, what did I do wrong? Hold on. Is the O-ring is supposed to go on the outside? Feels like the O-ring is too big. for the inside? So if I try to put it on the inside, it just, I don't fucking know. I'm gonna have to figure this thing out. I don't know, but I'm not giving up on it yet. I'll fix it somehow. Okay, but it's interesting to get those O-rings, so I'm gonna grab those, put them aside. Now this stuff that he is lending me, he put into these little pouches. Oh, look at it. Ooh, it's a spinner. Look at that. It's like a plurple. Oh my God, this thing's nice. Now, what's interesting is that there are corresponding haptic coins for each one of these. I'm gonna show you guys this shit in order. Hold on. Oh, those are nice. This guy loves copper like me, but he also, oh, okay. So here's the corresponding haptic coin. So that's the spinner. Oh, dude. I always wanted to try it out. Those are nice. Okay, he also is letting me try this haptic coin. This is the Rota blade. Oh, shit. That is a weird design. It doesn't spin. It's just a slider? Shitty. Okay, he also sent me this first run anodized aluminum umbury. Damn. He wanted to show me where they've come from. Oh, dude, look at it. Their newer stuff is definitely better. It's actually hard to get these donut style ones to work. What I've seen a lot is people will put a bearing right in here. That tends to make it work a little bit better. Okay, and then the last thing, God, look at these things. These are haptic coins. Oh yeah, very nice. Oh man. Okay, so let me, those were my things, by the way, guy. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can get a little bit of a better look on this. Sheba. Okay, so the things that he returned to me, this is the Full Throttle Original Skelly. Oh, I missed it. He wanted to keep this, and I was like, nah, man. This is the Baikun. This is not the buttons that came on it. This is just a painted button, but I'll have to put the button that came on it back on. This is a Fidget with Trillium slots. These things are always glowing because they're radioactive. So those are mine that he returned. He also returned Fidget Digits Chill Pill with the extra dose middles. I love it. I can't recommend these chill pills enough. They're just awesome. And the extra dose just adds a whole nother layer to it. This is copper, and then this is anodized stainless steel. So I wanted it to be kind of the same heaviness, and it came out awesome. Oh, I love it. Okay. And then the other thing was this Wusa. I've got to fix this thing. If you know anything about Wusa, can you help me out? So supposedly the bearing system has these O-rings, but the ones that he gave me are too big. I mean, obviously too big. I think that the O-ring goes inside. I actually Loctited this bad boy in there, but it's not even, and also there's like a raised part right here. So I just don't know how to make it work. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. But if not, I will figure it out eventually. I just love the look of this thing. So, but it doesn't spin the way it should. Okay, so the thing that he traded me is this. So, yeah. You can spin it either way. Wonder, I don't know how to open it up. Oh, I guess there's like a bolt inside. Cool. Okay, and then, so those are the things I have that I'm keeping. These things are epic. Look at it. So I wanted to just check this out. I got to return these to him. Oh, they're heavy. I actually like the spinner a lot better. I don't know who it's by. He told me. God, it feels so nice. I don't normally like going for these round spinners, but this thing is amazing. And then it's got a corresponding haptic coin, which I really love. Let's see the inside of this, because it's kind of like a donut. Oh. Oh shit, that's interesting. It's actually got a magnet that sits right here in the center. Huh. Look at that. Okay, and then he also gave me this to check out, which is a rotoblade. It's like a haptic coin thing, but it's not really, because it's like a slider almost. I mean, it looks nice, but it's like almost like the worst of both worlds, really. It's not a good slider, and it's not a really good haptic coin. Then he gave me this to check out, which is a first run Umbury anodized coin. So this one does not have that center. You know, I'm gonna have to show you guys what I'm talking about with that center. Hold on, let me pull out another haptic coin. You know, what I'm gonna show you actually is this bad boy, which is one of their latest haptic coins. Oh no, this one doesn't have that. What the hell? Oh, it's just the one I was thinking of. This one? Maybe it's this one I was thinking about. Yeah, a lot of these have this center bearing right here that sits right in the hole, and that helps it kind of stay on track and spin right. So, okay. But yeah, it's decent. It's nice, but not as nice as their newer stuff. And then, I don't know who makes these, but these are really, really, really nice. I love that there's a small one and a big one. Look at it. Okay, so if you want to see the inside of this one, oh shit, there's a ball. I guess the ball can be removed. It's got to be in there. It's got to be placed inside, I guess. I guess the ball kind of acts like a center kind of pivot thing. Magnets are not that strong on these, but still feels really good. Excuse me. So, pretty cool, pretty epic. Shiva. All right, well, anyway, thank you guys for watching.